Namaste, welcome to Babita's Easy Recipes. Today in this video I am sharing one pumpkin potato sabji recipe. So let's see the video. So as you can see, I'm using pumpkin, then here 2 potatoes, 1 big size onion, 1 tomato and peas, mutton. And first I'm going to grind this ginger, garlic and chili. So once the oil is heated nicely, as you can see, now I'll put 1 teaspoon jeera, then 2 bay leaves, then onion, just saute for 2-3 minutes. Now I am adding the potatoes. I am frying this potato with the onion first for 2-3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes, now I am adding turmeric powder, salt, so now I am adding this pumpkin. Now I am adding this chili, garlic, ginger paste. So with this paste, now we have to saute for 2-3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes, now I am adding this roasted cumin powder, then dhania powder, coriander powder, this is also roasted one, and chili powder. So at this moment, after mixing, you can add this tomato also. Peas. So nicely mix them and saute for 2 minutes more. After that, I will add water. Add water. So now I'll cover this and cook for 6-7 minutes. So friends, after 6-7 minutes like that, I cooked this. Now it is ready. Now I am adding little garam masala. So you can serve this sabji with chapati, paratha, even with rice you can have this. So now I'll off the gas. Now add little coriander leaves. So friends, you can see this pumpkin with potato sabji is ready. You can have this with roti, chapati, and even you can serve this with rice also. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you friends. Take care.